If fires could only be put out with Lego models, how absurd would things get? Let's start with the simplest scenario. First, build a fan fire truck. Okay, let's test its fire extinguishing capabilities. So easy. The candle flame was blown out immediately. Let's increase the difficulty. If the airflow is blocked, can it still extinguish the fire successfully? Looks like it's not working. Let's upgrade it. Build a fire truck equipped with universal wheels. Each set of wheels has an independent differential. This way, they won't fight each other when turning. Then use chains to unify their power output. Add a small scoop in front to handle the fire extinguishing work. So, let's add water and start the test. It's quite difficult for this car to go straight. After many adjustments and explorations, it eventually reached the fire point with difficulty. Okay, no problem. Successfully extinguished. The difficulty is about to be upgraded again. On one side is a forest fire, and on the other side is a fire in a road vehicle, still the same old problem. It's really too difficult to drive this car. It also damaged the scene before extinguishing the fire, causing secondary damage to the vehicle. Although the first fire was dealt with, but there is very little water left in the scoop. Couldn't extinguish the second fire. So, let's keep upgrading. Let's still make a fan car, but it's a reinforced rear axle motor drive. Steering is handled by the servo motor. Oh yeah, such a wonderful video. Of course, you have to eat some fried chicken and fries while watching. I recently discovered a very cost-effective and amazing platform. I bought a lot of low-price packages on Sheinu, and they're really cheap. Click on the comment section to search for money-saving coupons on Sheinu. There's also a chance to get a free order now. Humans have explored less than 1% of Sheinu. Laundry, cleaning, and hotels are all available at low prices. Go to Sheinu before placing your order. Sheinu is really amazing. It has stronger maneuverability. This time, the fan car can not only blow air, it can also precisely control the direction. It efficiently extinguished 2 fires. It's an overkill. So, when a large fire appears, can it still handle it with ease? Obviously, it's not working. After the fire has been upgraded, just relying on the fan is not enough at all. The reliable solution is still the water-based one. Let's go back and rebuild. This time we put the sprayer on the Lego car. Good question. How to achieve pressing the trigger? We need to use cams and worms. Use a linear actuator to adjust the pitch angle. Okay, done. Let's test. The water can accurately hit the fire, but the effect is minimal. Impatient friends are already starting to scratch their necks. After repeated spraying, the fire was finally put out. I think its firefighting efficiency isn't very good. What do you think? Let's enhance the fire. Let's see if it can successfully complete the firefighting work. After the flames get bigger, this little bit of water is a bit useless. It's completely ineffective. Let's modify it. If we don't use water, would it be useful to cover the fire point directly with wet wipes? Then we add a synchronously rotating mechanical arm. Plus a wet wipe. The principle of this device is simple. Isolate oxygen. But does it work? We'll see its actual performance. The first attempt failed. It didn't completely block the air. The fire rekindled. Let's adjust the angle slightly. Try again. Okay, no problem. The fire was successfully extinguished. Let's keep increasing the difficulty. Let's see the fire simulated by 3 fuel blocks. Can he still handle it easily? Pretty amazing. Still effective. Let's try creating a bigger flame. So, can this slap-it fire truck still complete the task successfully? No. That's not very good. The flames burst out from the side. But it was finally extinguished. To be honest, it's quite surprising. I didn't have high expectations for it at first. Since it was so successful, let's just max out the difficulty. 10 burning. Put them up vertically quickly. Let's see if it can still put out the fire. It's obviously a bit difficult. Can't cover it at all. Tried a few times. Abandoned the challenge. Let's continue modifying the fire truck. First, build a huge and stable chassis. Then install large tires. It can handle complex terrain. Next, we'll install this powerful water pump system onto the truck. The test begins. Please keep a safe viewing distance. Although the water pressure isn't high. But our advantage is a large water volume. A full bucket of water. I don't believe it. There's a saying about this. What was it? As long as the effort is deep, you can grind an iron rod into a needle. We'll leave the answer to time. Only you. Can you make all this world seem right? That's right. Have you guys noticed the sound of water extinguishing the flames? It's a bit de-stressing. Stand up. The fire is finally out. The water tank is about half empty. Okay, friends, the video is about to end. After watching, you will find that it's never a fixed method that really works. The conditions are changing. The methods must also change accordingly. See you next time.